Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will discuss about how posture affects our body, thoughts, mood and behavior. First of all, we discuss what is posture. Posture is an alignment of body parts in relation to one another at any given moment. Posture is defined as attitude or position of body. Whenever you are feeling sad, pay close attention to your posture because there is a strong link between posture and mood. According to cognitive scientists, when you are sitting straight, it's not only good for your posture but also gives you more confidence. The most important thing is this is actually about changing your hormones. Increase the level of testosterone and decrease the level of cortisol, or the stress hormone in brain. According to professor of psychology, because the functions of your body, posture tells your brain that you are powerful, which in turn affects your attitude. Because when the person is sitting in straight upright position, they trusted their own thoughts. When you are sitting in bad posture, you feel lack of confidence in yourself and also have more chances of negative thoughts and memories to appear. According to study, the increase of collapsed sitting from sitting in front of computer to look down at our smartphones may have much effect on the risk of depression. So at the end, the conclusion of all these studies is our posture has more to do with our minds. We might have thought, and in fact it seems like our bodies come first. When we alter our posture and body language, it subconsciously influences our thinking and decision power. Thank you for watching the video.